Hey beauties! Today we are getting ready for a date with a gorgeous beach waves hairstyle. I absolutely love this look and I think you will too. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. I already washed my hair and switched over to skincare. As always, I start with a toner, followed by eye cream and face cream. I don't just apply them, I do a small massage each time. It's a little ritual that I highly recommend. Now let's move on to our hair. I start by brushing my hair with a tangle teaser. It's a gentle and effective comb, and definitely one of my top recommendations. Then I grab my Dyson hairdryer and dry my hair by directing the air from top to bottom. This technique makes your hair smoother and shinier.
2 hours later.
Once that's done, I brush my hair again. Then I turn on my hair straightener and section my hair into layers starting from the bottom. The bottom layer is almost invisible, but it's a great place to practice. Here's how I create the waves. I take a small strand of hair and use the straightener to bend it, turning it 180 degrees in one direction and then the other. Just go strand by strand. Yeah, your hand might get a little tired during the process, but I absolutely love the result. For the top layer, I'm extra careful, stepping back a few centimeters from the roots to create a more natural effect. Repeat this for the rest of your hair and you're all set. If you have a salt spray, now's the time to use it for that extra beachy texture. Let's move on to makeup. I don't use foundation. Instead, I apply a small amount of concealer under my eyes to hide dark circles. I like to apply it, let it dry for a bit, and then blend it out. While the concealer sets, I brush my brows and fix them in place with a brow gel. Next, I apply a creamy blush and blend it well. I use a setting powder to lock everything in and then add another layer of blush with the powder product for more depth. Finally, I add a touch of highlighter for that glow. For my eye makeup, I'm using my favorite creamy eyeshadows from Luxe Visage. They're amazing quality for a low price. I simply apply them and blend with my fingers. Super easy and fast. To finish the eyes, I add brow eyeliner to the outer corners and brow mascara for a soft, natural look. For my lips, I use the OK Beauty lip liner and throat lip tint. Finally, I decided to add an extra layer of mascara, and now we are done. With these finishing touches, we are ready to go. I hope you love this look as much as I do. Thanks for getting ready with me, beauties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time!